So just going to come over to here and get all this smoothed off. I'm going to do it in time lapse, and then I'm going to come off onto the back here and just get all this cleaned up with the bottom here, get it all so I can get all this bit of paint at the bottom. I'll probably paint this in red oxide because you're not going to see this bit, so I'm not going to go too mad with the red oxide obviously on the main bit up here. But there is some holes, if I can show you. There's some holes down here, let me see them. There is 6 of these holes which have these little bungs, I would say, little bungs that go in there. I'm not really sure what they're for, but if anyone could tell me what they actually do, because they're under this mat and stuff. So I don't think they actually do anything. So if they don't, then I'll obviously just weld them up. But if someone could tell me exactly what they actually do, if they do anything, or... So yeah, well, if someone can tell me that in the comments, be grateful. So anyway, we'll crack on with this and get this all smoothed off, and then we'll go on to the next bit. So all done, all smoothed off. It's a bit more filler up the top there to get off. I'm not really worried about that, so I'm just going to get a bit of primer on this bit, put some red oxide on this bottom bit, but all this is going to be obviously seam sealed all the way along, and I'm probably going to go all the way along this edge where I put all that new panel on in a few videos back, probably quite a few now. Just filled in some little holes sort of in the back of this. So what I'm going to do, instead of using the fabric wood on it, I'm going to put some paint strip on the back and get all that off. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is spin it round on the side, and I've got some little brackets to put on. I've just painted them all up and that and cleaned them up. I've got to spot weld them on for the Flexi pipes. So I'll do that, and at the same time I'm going to paint up underneath the car, and then pretty much almost halfway. So yeah, we're getting there, but we're going to crack on with that next, and I'll see you in a minute. So I cleaned all these up, give them a little bit of primer, and so I'm going to get that one to go on there. That's what it was originally. I had to look at a few photos, but that is pretty much where it was before. And then the other one goes up here like so. Well, something that simple, just absolute nightmare. Yeah, there you go, that all done. This one here, I had to re-drill out because it just wouldn't obviously weld nice, so I had to re-drill it and broke about 2 drill bits. So yeah, brilliant. So that's something that simple. Yeah, turned into a bit of a longer process, but I didn't show you that boring bit, me drilling them out. But anyway, what we do now is, I think, because it's a nice day, I think I'll get this all painted up in the red oxide. So yeah, come up really nice. Really pleased with it. Just let that dry. Got the little brackets on there, look. So what I'm going to do is going to do before and after from the first ever video I done back in, I think it was March. So I'll show you the difference, just to give you a bit of an update on it, really, just to give you a little look. Just to give you a little look to see how far I've come since March. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. So this is the first ever video I've done, and I thought to myself, wow, what are you letting yourself in for here? I did honestly think that I could never do it. This whole corner underneath the underseal was all rotten away. You can see that the corner panel's completely rotted away. But yeah, I managed to get that bit all built up and put the new corner panel in. I didn't have to do too much to this side, considering how bad the other bit is. But yeah, that's, I'm happy with that. So the spare wheel well was really rotten. I mean, that was pretty bad. So I had to obviously take all the bottom off. I refabricated all the bottom, redone all that. But this corner, this was really bad. I mean, I took the whole lot out there, rebuilt that, cut really nice. I mean, this bit of the chassis was just nothing left of it really. But yeah, but I'm well pleased. It cut really nice. Got all the brackets in the same, exactly the same place. I've still got to build the new bracket on the back there. Still, I've got to make and put back on, but we'll get there. We'll get there in the end. So yeah. So yeah, when I come over to this chassis, I thought, yeah, it's really bad. Not as bad as the other side, but this is still bad. They've still put, someone welded a plate over the top of that one. As you can see on here, I've rebuilt the whole thing, fabricated the whole lot. Obviously saved myself a lot of money, which is a good thing. But yeah, I'm pleased with it. It's good. Yeah, the other side was really rotten. I mean, it just fell apart as I was making it. But yeah, it was bad. But yeah, all the floor was underneath was pretty sound under here. So I managed to get that all cleaned up, looking nice. But yeah, as you can see, I built the new one. Looks really nice and tidy. But yeah, like I say, thanks for coming back. Like and subscribe. If you ain't already, get yourself involved. And I'll see you next time.